Have you ever needed a pamper routine that, didn't cost you much, but still had you looking like $1,000,000? Well, I got you, baby, because most of these products today are found in your neighborhood drugstore. And if you caught out bad and you need something to just make you feel better real quick from your head to your toes, I got you. So go ahead and stay tuned. Let me know how you like this video with a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also check the description box for all items used today. I have them linked for you in my Amazon shop. So let's get into this video. Let's jump right in. I am loving these days the Pineapple and Mango Fresh Balsam Candle by Bath & Body Works. Y'all, don't cost much at all, but it gives you full relaxation. Just smells so amazing. And my hair has been through a lot lately, but it is doing so well in its colored form. I had a little mini chop just recently just to add to the health of it, and it's starting to grow back already. But I've been using a lot of drugstore products to just refreshen my hair. And I bought some of these while I was over in Belize for some days and was reminded nostalgically of some things that work for under like $10. They're just amazing. So I'll show some of those that I work into my pamper routine today. And I'm using my Moen shower head, which has been one of the best things that ever happened to me. Y'all need to pick one up. I got it linked down below for you. That thing is under $50 or maybe right in that range. But I am using the Aunt Jackie shampoo. Baby, this stuff works like a charm when your hair needs cleansing, getting to that scalp. And you'll notice that I pull shampoo all the way down to the ends because look, if it's dirty at the root, it's dirty at the ends. And for me personally, my scalp comes first, but then I pull down so that I can ensure that the lengths of my hair have been cleansed. And this works amazingly for me. So do what you need to do. But this shampoo itself, just leaves me feeling refreshed. It rinses away easily. It leaves my hair feeling soft and not stripped. And also it starts the detangling process without me having to pick up a comb or a brush. And now I'm going in with that Dove Intensive Repair. While my hair is not damaged, it's color treated. So when you've had things changed about the state of your hair, you'd rather prevent damage. And Dove Intensive Repair does not disappoint. Right in your neighborhood grocery stores. And this stuff just adds moisture right back to the roots, to the tips of my hair. You see, I work it into those ends because I want to make sure that they plump out nicely and also detangle. And do I mention this? Yeah, let me mention this. My hair detangles without me having to comb through it. When I use this Dove Intensive Repair, I feel relaxed and restored. And I feel like any knots and tangles I have easily work themselves out with my fingertips. That's pretty much all I have to use. So when I'm in a pinch and I can't think of other things to use, and yes, I have luxury brand items at home, that Dove Intensive Repair, baby, if you out and about, you on vacation, because I bought this in Belize, it's just always one that works. So reach for that, especially for my curly girls. It works really, really well. And I'm going back to my African sponge. Y'all know I've been showing y'all other items that I use for treatments of my skin, but this African sponge, it just works amazingly. While I was in Belize, I was in the jungle. Your girl was eating termites. Yes, I was. And getting bit up by swarms of mosquitoes. So my body is itching. And so this gives back to me really quickly. Love this thing. It doesn't scrape my skin off. Leaves me feeling good. We get none of them armpits. And I'm not shaving today. I'm not shaving or removing hair today. A pamper routine does not have to always include hair removal. I've counted a blessing that my body produces hair. So sometimes I let it sit there for just a little while so I'm not messing up the integrity of my skin. But I use this thing from the top to the bottom. And I'm using that amazing, I don't know if I mentioned this, the new Dove. They have an amazing shade and it's almost like a pina colada smelling tropical scent. Y'all, this stuff is so nourishing. My skin feels so good and it rinses away clean. And Dove again, Dove is an oldie but goodie, baby. My mama used to use the bar when I was younger and this just works amazingly. And now I'm rinsing, and as you can see, that rinses away, that conditioner rinses away from my hair so well. It's only been sitting about 5 minutes or so while I showered a bit, and it just feels so good. My hair feels like butter. butter. That's all there is, butter. And I'm not shedding a lot. That's what I love. And you notice that I'm not detangling in the shower, so I really don't have to, even though I haven't washed in a while. And I've been elsewhere, so I've used the waters of Belize to take care of my hair for the last week. And then came home and it's still feeling really, really good. I love y'all in Belize, by the way. I keep on bringing it up. Man, I could move there. I'm so serious. And here's the towel. Y'all have asked me about the towels I use. This microfiber towel is everything. Plus, it has the buttoner at the back, so it's easy to use. And for the curly girls and the natural girls, it works so well. Now I'm going in with some of my Body Mary glycolic acid wash, and it's an exfoliant. Love this stuff because it's good for dark marks, and because I have so many mosquito bites, I want to be preventative. I do not want my skin to scar up. So this stuff is great. It's infused with jojoba oil and kojic acid. So we know that that is great for darkening marks on the skin and hyperpigmentation. So I'm treating everything all around. My body is getting pampering like none other, honey. Look at it. Look at her glow. Look at her go and glow, okay? Rinsing off well. Towel blotting because we do not dry the skin completely. We want it to still feel luxurious and moisturized, okay? And I'm using my Nivea firming lotion. Y'all, this is a drugstore oldie but goodie too. Well, it's a newie but goodie because it's newer in their line. But I love massaging that into my skin and it just feels firmer. Sean, my husband, even loves this part of their line as well, and it just leaves your skin feeling good. It really does. But I'm needing some extra treatment because of these mosquito bites, so I need something with some peppermint oil, some lemongrass, as well as some lavender, and I'm using some sweet almond oil as well. And I'm just making like a little remedy oil. This oil is good for itchiness, so you know, my eczema cysts, my psoriasis cysts, you might want to try it out. Make sure you have enough carrier oil in here. You do not want to put peppermint oil directly on your skin by itself. You want to make sure that it's not burning and irritating your skin. Can y'all see all them little mosquito bites? They everywhere, girl. Everywhere. Okay. I rub this in and massage it in, and not only does this act as an itch help and guard, but it also helps with stopping the bugs from still coming to bite me, because I still live in Texas. So I went from the jungles of Belize to Texas, back home to Houston. So I am still not trying to get ate up because the mosquitoes are still out and real. All right. So this helps repel them. And now I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. When you are doing a pamper routine, you don't want to have to do too much, but you want to do a little something special for yourself. And that's why I love HelloFresh, who is the sponsor of today's video. Y'all know I've been rocking with them for years, but now it's the most festive time of the year, and HelloFresh is here to make the most of every moment. So from holiday hosting to dinners during busy weeknights, you can count on HelloFresh to deliver fresh ingredients and seasonal recipes. Y'all know that's why I love them. And 'tis the season for saving money wherever you can. HelloFresh is cheaper than grocery shopping and 25% less expensive than takeout. And as y'all know right now, it's a lot of people in the grocery stores. So this is saving a lot of time, energy, and effort. So you can get those holiday savings in as well and treat yourself. HelloFresh can help you to eat better amid the holiday seasons and the temptations and all of grandma's special favorite cookies or whatever it is that you have in. And their meals have 20% fewer calories than takeout. So you can still have full flavor just without the guilt. And I just love it. Me and Sean love HelloFresh. Makes things easy. And as the calendar starts to fill up this season, you can count on HelloFresh to get you some of your free time back by making cooking so simple and quick. And it just takes a lot of the hard prep out of everything. So I know you want all that greatness, minus all the hassle. So go to HelloFresh.com and use code DrNina18 for 18 free meals plus free shipping. Again, go to HelloFresh.com and use code DrNina18 for 18 free meals plus free shipping. So back to this hair and body, and when I was in Belize, went ahead and bought some leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature, who I love. Y'all know their receipts. And I'm just adding a little bit of gel to my edge line as well. And literally leave-in and gel, that's all we doing today. We got gel, no weave, and leave-in, okay? And all I'm doing is tying my hair down with one of my amazing scarves that I love. Y'all got this on Amazon as well. I got like 4 of them now. And now we're moving on to that skin, okay? So all I am doing today is adding that Itchiness. It's like a cleansing balm. Y'all, if you got a little bit of makeup left on your face, or a lot, this stuff gets it off. And I just like to move it into my skin. I feel like it's just helping me be more youthful, helping my skin to glow before the full washing process. And then I go in with my Purity Made Simple. And as I get older, I am getting more acquainted with the moisturization and leaving moisture in my skin, but also massaging it nicely, making sure that products make their way in, taking time, and making sure I'm treating it well. And so I towel block dried paper towel to be exact, to keep out all that bacteria. And now moving in with my Dermalogica. This is their exfoliating daily microfoliant. Love this stuff. And I've introduced this to y'all a while back. And while my steam is going, I love using this stuff because it gets deep into my pores. It cleanses. It leaves my skin feeling clean and exfoliated without all those little beads and things. Y'all, this stuff is just amazing. My wonderful esthetician, Lacey, introduced me to it, and it's been the bomb ever since. Now, you can't leave them lips dry, dusty, and disgusted, so I use my little lip scrub from Amazon as well to get these lips in tip-top shape, and it just leaves them looking so good and plump. And I go in with my Vaseline. That Vaseline cocoa butter is amazing. It just leaves my skin feeling smooth, especially on my lips. And my True Skin Tea Tree Super Serum, y'all. Told y'all this stuff is amazing. Has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, tea tree oil, all of that helping to combine to help with that tightening and smoothing of the skin. It also has retinol, so I only have to use it 2 or 3 times a week at night. And I am using my PMD brush. If you know, I use the other side, which has like a jade stone on it, and it is a heated stone. So it helps my products, from my moisturizers to my serums, to penetrate my skin more smoothly, more cleanly. I just love it, just massaging it in. And then my Eminence Stone Crop for my toner helps with dark marks, dark scars. It has a lot of great ingredients in order to make sure that your skin is contained and it's taken care of and well exfoliated and moisturized. I'm seeing less wrinkles, less areas that have problems and concern, and just look at my skin. It's doing the thing. Now, my husband helping me with that too, okay? But it's doing the thing, and it looks so good and glowy and dewy. And so after that, I go in with my Grand Brow, and that Grand Brow is just everything. Y'all ask me how I'm keeping my brows and my eyelashes so nicely as I age, and I really do love this stuff. I've been using it for years. You can check my videos, and it's just great. And I'm using the Dermalogica Moisture Mask, which is an overnight mask to just keep in and lock in that moisture, y'all. One of the best things I've done for my skin. And make sure you're taking care of your neck as well. Don't discriminate. So I'm using that Gold Bond chest and neck. And y'all, I have been rocking with this stuff for a while now. Love the stuff. Just helps me to feel firmer and smoother. And now that's it. It's time to go to bed. So let me know the items that you're going to use. Most of these are my drugstore run items. You can find them almost anywhere. So if you're down, you don't have to go get no huge expensive pamper routine going on. Now, I love my expensive pamper routines as well, but it's nice to know that you have products that are quality to fall back on that don't cost the arm and a leg. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Beautiful Brown Baby Doll signing out. Peace. Check the links in the description for my free and new Dr. Nina's Mentorship Facebook group, which is a group of like-minded individuals looking to progress, grow, and support one another along the way. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.